Troubleshooting a YANMAR generator. Marine guys found there is lubricating oil, and the governor turns black. After disassembling it, we found the bearing under the driving gear was worn with a large clearance, resulting in a large amount of movement inside. The system lubricating oil will flow into the hydraulic oil. These hydraulic governors hydraulic oil turn black, mostly due to the shaft of the driving gear. The bearing clearance is large, so it causing large shaking inside. It will cause the system lubricating oil in the crankcase becomes dirty. The oil will go up along the shaft. It won't cause the oil to go down. It often goes up, causing the oil in the system to turn black. In this case, changing the oil all day won't solve the problem. The only way is to remove and replace the bearing and the oil seal. When installing the bearing, it is recommended not to use a hammer to hit it. Use a lathe to push it in. It works better. Don't use a hammer at all. It won't damage the bearing. Everything can be pushed in with this lathe or a drilling machine. When installing this gear later, use a drilling machine to push it down. It won't cause damage to the shaft by hitting it. Because the bearing is very small, it can't withstand our hammering. It's easy to damage the bearing. Many people dare not dismantle this governor. In fact, this governor is also relatively reliable. You can dismantle it however you want. We only need 3 most important things. If you don't change it, and you disassemble all the other parts, no failure occur. 1 is a compensation needle valve. Under the base, don't adjust the regulator. It has been factory tested. Adjust it on the test bench. The speed reduction compensation valve and oil pressure regulating valve. Don't change the setting on these 3 valves. Even if you disassemble other parts, there will be no problem. It's easily recovery. Be careful when remove the bearing and the oil seal. Don't knock off the bearing seat. Excessive bearing clearance was detected during inspection, so I replaced them all. This bearing can only be broken. It's easy to knock it out after breaking it. Be careful when knocking. This aluminum alloy base is easily damaged. Install it back the bearing. Don't hit or smash it when installing it back. Use a copper rod to flatten it, and slowly push it down with a lathe, which works well. After the bearing and shaft base are done, we installed a new shaft seal. We found that the shaft seal was so loose, and it fell out when I pushed it. Then we compared it, and replaced it with another one. Fortunately, it can be installed. If it couldn't be installed, it would be a waste today. It originally had a seal. There is a seal and sealant. We also applied some sealant. This oil seal is a double-sided oil seal, which can prevent upstream and downstream movement. WD-40 is also very effective for cleaning the oil stains and other dirt inside, and all the dirt can be sprayed out. After cleaning it all inside, rinse it with clean lubricating oil again to wash out all the residue of the chemical. After installation, adjust it manually and rotate it. If it can rotate, it's normal. Tighten all the nuts. Many machine draining oil bolt hole damaged or the thread is damaged. It's over-tightened. If there is a leak, just use this copper gasket. Add an O-ring inside, or use a soft gasket. It won't leak easily. It's not easy to leak if you just tighten it slightly. We will assemble it later. It's hard to add oil after the lid is closed. We all add oil in advance. If you have added oil in advance, this can't be turned upside down, or it will leak into the governor motor. Check the gearbox inside to make sure it's clean. Every part is normal. Then you can continue to assemble it. Don't forget the positioning screws. There are many positioning screws lost when overhaul. After connecting the oil pipes, turn on the oil pump. Check if the oil is supplied in normal, whether it's normal by the system. If it's okay, after starting it normally, the oil supply is very smooth. It flows down along the bearing. Then we need to rotate the shaft, only by cranking, and it will fall into place when it reaches the right position. after we install everything. Then blow the auxiliary engine. Then start the engine. Check the speed. And the speed is normal, and there is no oil leakage. Let the system run for about 10 minutes. The frequency on the distribution board is normal, and the frequency adjustment is normal. No abnormal phenomenon was found. We did a great job. Thanks for your watching.